Hey, it's me, Lila Gardunia, and it is week 3 of the Hello Geese quilt along. Last week we made the big flying geese, the ones that were 5.5 and 4.5 inches tall. And this week we're taking it a little bit easy, and we're just going to be making the ones that are 3.5 inches tall. So pretty simple and straightforward. We're using the same process as we did last week. So if you need step-by-step instructions, go back and refer to that video. But basically what we're doing, we're just taking our squares. This is for the no waste method. If you're doing the stitch and flip method, it'll look a little different. But we're taking our squares, making some flying geese, sewing them into columns, and adding our little side strips. That's all it is, super simple. Post your pictures on Instagram by next Thursday to be entered to win our giveaway, which is a fabric subscription box from Cotton Cuts. So that's super exciting. Next week is going to be a little bit different. You can continue to use the same methods, either the stitch and flip or the all-in-one method, to make the very smallest geese. But if you want, I'll be walking you through how to foundation paper piece those geese with let me grab them here, with the bonus foundations, and I'll link to those, so you can foundation paper piece those smallest ones. Either method works. It just depends on whether you just like to foundation paper piece better than doing it the traditional way with smaller pieces. So I'll be walking you through that step by step though, no worries. But that's next week. This week, just have fun sewing those medium-sized flying geese, those 3.5 by 6.5 geese. This is honestly my favorite size, not too big, not too small, just right. I'm so excited that you've joined me on this quilt along. Thank you for that. Thank you for sewing along. And I can't wait to see your quilts come together. They're looking so good so far. All right, till next week. Bye.